you are seeing now, it is a very common. I am sure most of you know about this herb. It is in Telugu, it is Vamaku. In Hindi, it is Ajwain Patta. Ajwain Patta. Okay. Coleus aromaticus or Plectranthus aromaticus, its name. Okay, the leaves are real soft, they are large in size, very soft, and as soon as we touch the leaves, it emits a very beautiful aroma. It is very common in villages also. They know it well as a bhaji aku, as a snack, in the evenings they make snacks out of this one. It is very common. Okay, it belongs to the same family as Lamiaceae and Umbelliferae. Okay, gives out nice aroma, and this has got medicinal value of simply to improve digestion, to reduce acidity, that is bloating stomach, to work as a laxative, and also to give a strength to our nervous system. In so many ways, it is a nice medicinal plant, and also it has got mosquito repellent property also. The mosquitoes are kept away from these herbs also. So in so many ways, it is a very, very useful medicinal aromatic herb. It has got culinary values also. We can use in salads, and we can make snacks out of this one. We can chop the leaves and use in various for dressing our foodstuffs and all that. So very popular Ajwain Patta, Coleus species.